y'all, so by the title y'all already know what this video is about. I'm using the Ruby Kisses brow pencil in light medium brown and the crayon case brow pomade in ebony, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in warm honey, and I use witch hazel to clean up my brows. I don't blend in my concealer at all. Okay y'all, so this is I want to say easy, but when you first learn it, it's not easy. But I'm just going to follow the shape of my eyebrow. I really don't have a tail, so I really just kind of go with the little arch I do have and just extend it down. It's easier for me to start with the top. Sometimes I do start with the bottom of my eyebrow though. So whichever way you find the most comfortable, you can start that way. But yeah. So any mistake you make, you can clean it with concealer, because I didn't get it perfect how I wanted at the top. But yeah. So after I'm done with the top, I just trace the bottom, and I'm going to connect my tail from the top to the bottom, and then I'll fill it in. And normally I will fill it in with the brown pomade sometimes. But today I just used the pencil, and I used the brow pomade for the front of my eyebrow. So y'all will see when I get to that part. Okay guys, so this part is just cleaning up your eyebrows, and it's gonna make it look neater. You just want to use any type of flat brush, because you're gonna get the best results like that. So I'm starting with the bottom right here, but like I said, I start with either way, top or bottom, it don't matter. But just literally follow the shape of your eyebrow. And like I said, if you have any mistakes, you can just kind of clean it up with the concealer. Sometimes if it's too bad, you might just have to start all the way over. But yeah.
And go ahead, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna be using this brush from Sonia Kashik. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got the one that came with the brow pomade from the crayon case, but it's so little I don't be seeing it most of the time with my brushes. But either type of brush that look like what I just showed, you can use that. And I just use excuse me, whatever was left on the brush from last time I used it with the brow pomade, just to fill in the front, because it give it a better look. Sometimes I do go too heavy in the front of my eyebrow, so just try to use a light hand and it'll make it look more natural. But yeah, now you just see me using the witch hazel on the cotton pad, and I literally just wipe the concealer off. And I get as much as I can with the cotton pad, and then I'll use a Q-tip and I get the rest. Okay y'all, so this is pretty much the end of the video. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also ring the little bell notification so you can get notified every time I upload new videos. Bye.